Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a gorgeous, real black 1966 Chevelle Malibu at an LT1, fuel injected, 4-speed automatic, thinning air, Dakota digital gauges, ceramic coated headers. This has been worked to a 383 stroker, super fast. Got a 10-bolt posi. Fun car to drive. Ice cold air, nice paint, super straight body. Yeah, got the high def lights on it, power disc brakes, power steering. Does have the Foose wheels on it, but just a nice car. Super straight, good body lines, new exhaust. So it's a frame off rotisserie restored vehicle. Bottom of the car looks like the top. I will have probably about 100 plus pictures of this posted, and the undercarriage will be online, www.westportautocenter.com. You can follow us on YouTube, obviously, Instagram, and Facebook. But just a great driving, cool car. We'll get a better video. Right now we're fighting the rain and time. But we'll get a better video. I'm by myself, get one with we're driving, getting on it, and showing you what the car can do. But as for now, a lot of car for the money, what we're gonna be asking for this. Call 314-346-6039, westportautocenter.com. Ask for Mark.